Okay friends, we are on this HSK Standard Course 1 workbook on page 15. So today we are going to explore Chinese language pronunciation. So basically we have two parts here. So part 1, you need to listen to the recording and mark the syllables you hear. So later you need to identify the pronunciation. And then for the second part here, so second part, you are going to explore the tone sandhi of bu. So when bu is followed by a syllable in the first, second, or third tone, its tone doesn't change. And then rule number 2, when bu is followed by a syllable in the fourth tone, it changes into the second tone. So this is a rule of thumb. So you need to mark the tone also. So later I will play the audio 3 and then 2. So now I will play the audio here.
3. 语音
3. Pronunciation
第一部分
Part 1.
第1到8题，听录音，选择听到的音节。
Questions 1 to 8. Listen to the recording and mark the syllables you hear.
1、4、2、酸、3、此、4、算、5、虾、6、心、7、香、8、9。
So next we are going to explore part 2. And then the audio will be continued again.
第2部分
Part 2.
第9到16题，听录音，给下列词语中的不标注声调。
Questions 9 to 16. Listen to the recording and add the tone marks to bu.
9、不是。10、不想。11、不好。12、不看。13、不能。14、不说。15、不去。16、不买。
So that's it for today. So basically I want to share with you a free resources here. So this is the ebook that I printed out. So this is written by me. So basically you can print this workbook here. So this workbook is about 100 most common Chinese character. So you can learn how to write around 100 most common Mandarin Chinese character. So this is written by me. So we can read the quick guide here. So there is a quick guide for you. And then you can explore this diagram board here. So learn Chinese-Mandarin.blogspot.com. So you can write on your own on this grid here. So basically I have provided the definition of this Chinese character here. So with its pinyin, and then we have this radical. So basically the red color is radical, and then the remaining blue color is remaining strokes. So R stands for radical, STR stands for stroke. So you have these well presented grids here. So this is it. So you can explore around 100 characters here. And then basically when you look at the final part of this book, so you can explore more learn Chinese book. So you can always go to visit this URL here. So it is learn Chinese books with an S here, with an S, and then blogspot.com. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch or consume the related contents here. And then right below this video, you can click the link. You can join my Telegram bot for free.